In a small village nestled between lush green hills, the rainy season had cast a magical spell over the landscape. The monsoon had arrived, draping the earth in a thick blanket of gray clouds that seemed to pulse with energy. The air was heavy with the scent of wet soil, and the sound of raindrops tapping on the leaves created a soothing melody. As evening approached, the sky transformed into a canvas of deep blues and purples. The sun struggled to peek through the clouds, casting a dim, golden glow over the waterlogged fields. The village was alive with the sounds of nature, the chirping of crickets, the croaking of frogs, and the distant rumble of thunder. Amidst this enchanting scene lived a young girl named Amina. She loved the rainy season more than anything else. While her friends stayed indoors, fearing the downpours, Amina would put on her worn-out sandals and splash through the puddles, her laughter ringing through the air like a song. The rain brought her a sense of freedom and joy that was hard to explain. That particular evening, as the rain intensified, Amina found herself at the edge of the village pond. The water, once clear, had turned muddy and brown, swirling with fallen leaves and twigs. Yet, to Amina, it was a magical place. She imagined it was a secret world where fish danced and frogs held grand concerts. With each drop that fell, she felt the earth soaking up the water, replenishing itself after the long dry months. Suddenly, the wind picked up, and Amina decided to return home. She dashed through the rain, her heart racing with excitement. As she reached her small thatched roof house, she saw her mother waiting at the door, a worried look on her face. "Amina, you'll catch a cold," her mother exclaimed, but her voice was filled with warmth and love. Amina smiled, dripping wet, and replied, "But, Mama, it's just rain. Look how beautiful it is." They stepped inside together, where the comforting smell of rice cooking filled the air. Amina's younger brother, Rahim, was sitting on the floor, playing with his toy boats, pretending they were sailing through the stormy seas. As the evening grew darker, the family gathered around the wooden table, sharing stories about the day. Amina recounted her adventures in the rain, and her mother listened, chuckling at her daughter's vivid imagination. Outside, the rain continued to pour, creating a symphony of sounds that wrapped around the house like a warm blanket. Later that night, when the storm finally quieted, Amina lay in bed, listening to the gentle patter of raindrops on the roof. She closed her eyes, dreaming of the vibrant world outside, the shimmering leaves, the dancing fish, and the adventures yet to come. The rain was not just a weather phenomenon, it was a source of life, a reminder of nature's beauty, and a promise of new beginnings. In that little Bangladeshi village, the rainy season brought everyone closer together, as they shared stories, laughter, and warmth in the face of the storm. Amina knew that as long as the rain fell, there would always be magic in her world.